Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions. From here, in the top right corner, there is a little profile icon. We tap on that, and then at the bottom we find login. We can tap on this, and here, if we are new, in this case, we can tap on register at the bottom, and then enter our name, our email address, our password, our preferences, and then just proceed by tapping on register. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.